Okay, so basically, Sansi sent me some LED grow lights and we decided to play around with some tomatoes. These seeds here came from a tomato we bought at the grocery store that we just pulled the seeds out, and every one of the seeds decided to pop up. So the actual light itself, we got up there. I did get a few other lights, but this one's a 40 watt. I got parchment paper on here because I don't want to blind myself. But I'll stick the camera up in there. You guys can see the light a little bit better. And I just got it on basic socket there. Try to get shot around it. I know this ain't the best video right now, but that is the light right there. Just got a cord running down, wired into the light fixture, and basically it's actually lighting this entire room in here, so you can see it kind of bounces off the walls, but without that, it's too bright in here. I got it mounted up a little bit high. This was just temporary. Next thing we're going to do is probably put another one on that shelf, but just had to kind of try it, so that's why this is here. Again, it runs 40 watts. It's pretty decent, and I'll try to find the boxes for the other ones to show you guys. Okay, so this is the 40 watt model that I got up there right now. So it's a Sansi, and there's some specs on it there. And so far, in my opinion, for how long these been here, that is amazing. That stuff, it's not growing the best. They're kind of a little bit burnt, but the tomato plants are going awesome. And again, right now it's only, what, March 10th? So a little bit early, but we'll see what happens. And here's the little 15 watter. I got two 15 watts and the 140. So just decided I'd pull this one out of the box, let you guys see it, if I can get it in focus. There you go. And to be honest, this one itself probably would be bright enough for just these plants here, but decided might as well try the big 40 watt. So there's the specs on this guy right here. And this is just kind of a preview. Again, the actual full video is not going to be for about a month or so when we start doing the entire garden. I'm going to start everything inside and see what happens.